Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable Apple Watch optimized charging. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and press the digital once. Scroll down, locate and click on settings. On the settings page, you need to scroll down the settings page until you get to battery. So just keep scrolling. Then click on battery. Once you selected battery, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to battery health and then click on it. Once you click on battery health, then scroll down, you should say optimized battery charging. Now to disable it, toggle optimized charge limit, and the spot that says turn off until tomorrow, scroll down and then you should see turn off. Then go ahead and turn off. And then you should see optimized charge limit disabled, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to disable Apple Watch optimized charging. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.